Welcome to an action-packed journey, where forestry machines conquer every limit. Let's witness their power, precision, and the breathtaking challenges that lie ahead.
To operate it. So the first thing I want to do is go and dig out a hole where
the Skid Pro tree excavating machine starts operating, roaring powerfully across the open space. Its high-performance engine makes every movement decisive and full of force. Each motion of the shovel serves as a vivid demonstration of Skid Pro's absolute precision and astonishing power.
In this video is as I take the spade down, so bringing the tree down to the hole that I've made already, it'll look pretty good by the time I'm done.
The handheld chainsaw started up, the engine roaring powerfully, ready to conquer enormous tree trunks. The sharp saw blade tore through the trunk, slicing the dense wood grain with absolute precision. The superior strength combined with the lightweight design made the work surprisingly easy and incredibly efficient. Oh my god! The car is suspended high up in the tree. Just looking at it makes my heart race.
Pretty awesome, isn't it?
The engine's superior power makes every movement decisive and forceful. Large logs are fed into the machine, which cuts and splits them with absolute precision, the wood pieces separating cleanly in an instant. The exceptional innovation is evident in the intelligent design, which not only enhances efficiency but also maximizes time and effort savings for the operator. Wow! The truck, carrying tens of tons of timber, flew past the slippery curve. With just one delicate maneuver, the agile steering guided it precisely, keeping the truck perfectly balanced on the slick road surface. The powerful engine roared, propelling the enormous loaded mass forward without any loss of speed or control. Oh no! This is the first time I've witnessed horses transporting timber, a truly magnificent and powerful sight. The horses, with their bulging muscles, advanced steadily, pulling large logs across the rough roads without flinching. Spectacular! The Ecolog 590D began its final felling maneuvers, roaring powerfully in the midst of the forest. The Kesla 28RH harvester head plunged into each large log, precisely sectioning it in an instant, demonstrating the machine's superior strength. The powerful engine combined with the meticulous cutting technique makes every movement flawless, graceful yet undeniably mighty. Can you even imagine this power? The Bandit 21XP chipper roared fiercely, its high horsepower engine exploding with strength right from the start. The sharp chipping blades tore through each colossal tree trunk, grinding them down rapidly and with absolute precision. Oh no! The John Deere 1270G started up, roaring powerfully as it prepared to tackle the challenging steep slope. Equipped with the T-Winch 10.2, the machine demonstrated superior strength. Each will grip the ground tightly, moving securely without any slippage. The high-horsepower engine propelled the entire chassis upwards, conquering the incline spectacularly and with absolute precision. Spectacular! A rumbling sound echoed as the first pieces of wood were crushed by the harvester boiler. The powerful engine of the machine unleashed its superior strength, grinding every stubborn log with ease and precision. Each piece of wood was transformed into perfect fuel for the heating system, ensuring high efficiency and maximum energy savings. The Halverson HWP-140B firewood processor started up, roaring powerfully in the midst of the timber yard. The superior engine propelled every movement, causing large logs to be cut and split with speed and absolute precision. Each cut was decisive and forceful yet perfectly controlled, maximizing time and effort savings for the operator. The impressive efficiency of the machine made the timber processing work effortless. With the Halverson HWP-140B's perfect rhythm, every operation was fluid yet mighty. The Timber Pro TL775D feller buncher started up, roaring powerfully in the midst of the forest. The superior horsepower engine drove every forceful movement, combining with the Quadco 27B hot saw to slice through colossal blocks of wood quickly and accurately. Every cut was decisive, delivering outstanding performance even under the harshest working conditions. Oh no! The sight before the viewers makes their hearts clench, a clear demonstration of the consequences of sawing wood without experience. The chainsaw roared fiercely, the blade tearing through the trunk at astonishing speed, but the lack of preparation made everything more dangerous than ever.
Oh. We just took out half the house.
The AHWIM 650 forestry tiller/mulcher started up, roaring powerfully in the middle of the dense forest. The superior horsepower engine drove every forceful movement, combining perfectly with the durable design and sharp mulching blades. Every large stump was processed with absolute precision. The outstanding efficiency made the stumping work fast and easy. The experience of stump removal using a truck, a $3/8-inch cable, and snatch blocks was truly unforgettable. The truck's powerful engine roared forcefully, ready to conquer any stubborn stump. The smaller stumps were easily removed thanks to the pulling block placed at the base and the intelligently routed cable. Combined with the subtle snatch blocks technique, every movement was fluid yet powerful, ensuring maximum efficiency in the stump pulling job. It's hard not to be impressed by this power. The Petzolato PTH 1400 chipper started up, roaring fiercely, its 800 horsepower Caterpillar C18 engine instantly unleashing its strength. Colossal blocks of wood were rapidly and precisely shredded, proving the machine's superior performance in all working conditions. Every movement was fluid yet full of might. Oh no! Don't let the simple appearance deceive you. The drag saw, powered by a mighty wood engine, started operating, roaring powerfully in the timber yard. Every saw stroke was absolutely precise, ensuring high efficiency even under difficult working conditions. Nothing can stop its power. The brute force 20-30 CS firewood processor started up, roaring powerfully, ready to conquer every large log. The durable and intelligent design maximizes time and effort savings, transforming the logging task into a spectacular performance. You surely won't be able to anticipate this power. The LKT-81 started up, roaring mightily, ready to conquer every harsh terrain. The powerful engine propelled the machine over slopes and across mud with absolute traction, maintaining perfect balance in every movement. Logs were towed away quickly and efficiently, a testament to the LKT-81's superior durability. The roaring sound combined with the powerful rhythm of movement created a vivid and mighty spectacle, making it hard to look away from every operational detail.